Hi Empress, and welcome back to another video. If you guys are new, welcome. My name is Msblackempress, and if you guys are returning, what up? All right, so today I've decided to sit down and film for you guys because what else is there to do with this whole quarantine business? So yeah, I'm going to do my makeup, and so let's just jump into this video. I'm using this Maracuja oil from Tarte and this Olay face mist. I love this mist. It smells so good. And I'm using this P. Louise base to set my base. You guys know how I already do it. And for my first palette is the by Juvia's Place, and I'm going in with this reddish color right here. I love this palette. It's so versatile and so beautiful, and the shadows are super pigmented. Love it. Love it. So I'm gonna add this color and just build it up. And I'm just gonna keep adding that color. And yeah, so I'm so excited to be back and filming for you guys. I have been gone for quite some time, and yeah, I know how it is. So I'm using this Morphe palette, and I'm going in with this reddish color right here to blend out the outer edge. But before I do that, I'm going to use some powder to set the base, so that I can go ahead and blend out that shadow on the outer edge. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm also going to add a little bit more of that first red color from the Juvia's Place palette to kind of deepen up that red. Alrighty guys, join the fam, join the squad by clicking the subscribe button, and go ahead and turn on your post notification so you will not miss any of my videos. Alright, love you guys. And now I'm going over with this shimmery shadow from that same Juvia's Place palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and add that onto my lid and just have that spread evenly. And then I'm gonna go in with some glitter that I got from J. Le Rouge. I think this was like $11, I think, because I bought them like a while ago. If I remember exactly how much it costs, I will leave it in the description box below so you guys can check it out. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and add these liquid glitter that I got from Amazon, and I'm gonna line my eyes with the Inglot liner, and I'm going with this mascara that I got from MAC, waterproof, love it. So now I'm using the Nars foundation, and I'm in the shade Macau. Love this foundation, y'all. Woo! As you can see, the foundation matches me perfectly. Like, it just matches my skin perfectly. You can't even tell I'm wearing foundation. Like, you really can't. Now I'm using the LA Pro concealer, same concealer that I used to clean up my eyebrows, and I'm also going to go in with the Juvia's Place concealer as well. And I think this one is in number 9 or 10, I believe. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and blend that in. And I'm going to go ahead with this Juvia's Place setting powder. I love this powder. It's so fine and just sets so beautifully. And I'm using this Sigma brush to go ahead and set that in. And, you know, get that look poppin'. And now I'm going to take the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder, and I'm going to set the perimeter of my face and melt everything together. I absolutely love this powder. Love it. It's probably my second purchase. And I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in what is it? Mahogany. I love this powder, y'all. This bronzer, I absolutely love this bronzer. It's the best one that I have, and I can't wait to repurchase it again. Really can't. So, and I'm going to also use it to contour my nose. I don't do this often, but I just still like to, you know, snatch my nose. And I'm using this, I think it was the Juvia's Place blush that I'm using, or it could have been NYX. I'm not 100% sure, but I will leave everything that I'm using in the description box below for you guys. You can check it out. And I'm using this black eyeliner by MAC. It's very old. So like I said, everything that I'm using, all the products will be in the description box for you if you guys really want to know the products and everything that I'm using. And the lashes are from Amazon. No, I lied. Aliexpress, like a couple years ago. Yes. So yeah, I'm just highlighting a little bit, and y'all know I like this. Like lately I've been enjoying a very subtle highlight, and I've been using just 1 or 2 dots and go ahead and just blend that out. And I'm lining my lips with the lip liner from MAC, Nightmoth. And my lips that I'm using is a drugstore brand, and I absolutely love these combination. All right, guys, so don't forget to follow me on all socials at Msblackempress. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, turn on your post notification so you will never miss any of my uploads, because I want you guys to be in the know when something goes up. All right, guys, so I will see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed, stay true, and stay safe.